Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oat milk biscuits. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment. Mix dry ingredients, grate or cube cold butter, and cut it into the flour until pea-sized pieces appear. Stir in oat milk until dough just comes together. Do not overmix. Pat out, fold for layers, and cut biscuits with a 2.5-inch cutter before baking. Start by combining flour, baking powder, salt, and a small amount of sugar in a bowl. Keep your butter and oat milk cold to create steam pockets during baking. Use a fork or pastry cutter to integrate butter until you see pea-sized bits. Fold in oat milk with a light hand until the dough barely holds together, giving you tender layers and a delicate crumb after baking. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make storing biscuits and meal prep so much easier and less messy, perfect for picnics or lunch boxes. They stack neatly and seal tight so your biscuits stay fresh longer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab them, enjoy the convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Gently pat the dough to about 3.5 inches thick and fold once or twice to create layers. Use a sharp 2.5-inch cutter and press straight down without twisting to keep the edges rising evenly. Arrange biscuits close together for soft sides or spaced apart for crisp edges. Brush tops with a bit of oat milk and bake until golden brown, then cool slightly before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.